Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to claim and how to add a AVIVE token on your OKX wallet. Pretty simple and easy. Go ahead to your wallet right there at the top and then click dashboard. Then on the dashboard click on crypto and you will see a lot of coins here. After that you can see all networks. So you want to choose a network where AVIVE is. So you want to go ahead to, for example, CoinMarketCap, and as you can see, it is on contracts Arbitrum network. So you want to go ahead and choose Arbitrum network. So Arbitrum 1. And now you can see only free coins. So what you need to do is go ahead, manage crypto, search for the crypto. You can either enter AVIVE, but if you're not sure and you want to be 100% sure you buy this, or add this, you want to copy the contract's address there. And then go ahead, paste it. Here it is. Click plus sign. And now it is here. If you have bought it, you will see it here. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.